morning. Let me show you how to dismantle a microscope and to couple it up again. So first of all, you take off the eyepiece here, you eject it this way, is out. You take off this also, is out. Then you take off this. This is your objective lens. You have the times 10 objective, times 40, times 100 and the rest of them. You take off this way. So you do it this way. Take it off this way. Use a times 10 objective. And then this finally. Please carefully observe. Then you take off this. This holds this beam directly to this. You take off this. You roll it out this way, anti-clockwise. Then it's out. Then after that, you hold here and you push it up. Push it up. Let's take out this. There's another lead here. Another screw here. Take this off. And then you take off this. You see what we did? You take this off. And I'm sure this is how it is dismantled when you get the equipment. So you attach it back. Let's fix it up again. Fix it up again. This way. And then this goes in first. You attach this. And then you take in this. Take this in. You attach this objective first of all. You attach this also. And this comes up also when you need to change either of this objective. So you lose it same way you saw me do it. And you attach the new one same way you saw me attach it. And then you do this here also. Fix this up. You can rotate this like this, you can rotate it this way, you can rotate it this way. So bring it out to make it easier for a better view. So you attach this back. Carefully observe. Then you attach your first eyepiece here. You see the hole wherein is attached. Then you attach this here. In our next video, we'll show you how to clean up the lens of this eyepiece. How to clean up the lens. There are special techniques applied in cleaning up this lens. You will get to know about it in our next video. Just go to the red button for subscription, click on it, and then we'll notify you of subsequent videos. Thank you.